course, we know it's all about the U here in South Florida, but the Indiana University Hoosiers have shown up in full force. You probably see some of them walking behind me, bringing with them a big boost to the economy, especially in Broward County. CBS News Miami's Bree Buckley is your reporter in Fort Lauderdale with how local businesses are dealing with the rush.
No, don't check your screen. I'm not in Bloomington, Indiana. I'm on Las Olas in Fort Lauderdale, where the IU faithful have taken over. The largest alumni fan base living up to the title.
It's so special to so many people that they cannot believe that we're here. So to be able to share in that excitement with my family that all grew up watching so many losses, it's just unbelievable.
Coming from far and wide, some Hoosiers splurging on the sky-high tickets.
Money comes back, this won't. Once in a lifetime.
Some just for the atmosphere.
And we just wanted to be part of the energy. Even if tickets were sky high, we wanted to be with all of these Hoosier fans that you see literally everywhere you walk around here.
Bringing a welcome boost in business.
This was a big shock to some of our servers and our staff this Monday morning. They were like, we were not expecting it. We warned them, but then once they came in, we had a line out the door before we opened.
There's still guests that want to be by the beach and go to the game. So yes, we have a small influx of guests that are coming.
With some Canes fans trickled in, we know the rest are in the 305.
25 years of pain and suffering hopefully ends tonight.
Now, regardless of who wins, so many fans tell me that it's incredible to have even made it this far, a day that both fan bases have been dreaming of for years. In Fort Lauderdale, Bree Buckley, CBS News, Miami.